Welcome to OMG It's African Style, your go-to channel for exploring the vibrant world of African culture.
In this tutorial, we will explore various techniques and styles to tie a head wrap that complements your personality and the occasion. From simple and elegant wraps suitable for everyday wear to elaborate styles perfect for special events, you'll discover the versatility of the head wrap and how it can effortlessly enhance your overall look.
A head wrap, also known as a headscarf or turban, is a piece of fabric worn around the head for various purposes, including cultural, religious, or fashion reasons. Head wraps are worn by people all around the world and have different names and styles depending on the cultural or regional context. The term Duku is often associated with African head wraps, particularly in West Africa. It is a common style in Ghana, where women wear beautifully tied head wraps as a cultural and fashion statement. The Duku can be worn in various ways, and the style may vary based on personal preference and cultural influences. Certainly, the term Duku specifically refers to a traditional African head wrap, and it holds cultural significance in various West African countries. In Ghana, the Duku is more than just a fashion accessory, it is a symbol of cultural identity, pride, and womanhood. Women often wear the Duku on special occasions, ceremonies, or as part of their everyday attire. The art of tying a Duku is often passed down through generations, and the styles can vary based on regional traditions and personal preferences. Dukus are typically made from various fabrics, including colorful and vibrant African prints. Ankarafabric, known for its bold and geometric patterns, is commonly used for creating Dukus. The choice of fabric and pattern can convey different meanings, and some women may have specific Duku fabrics for different occasions. Tying a Duku involves intricate techniques to create different styles. Some common styles include the rose and the fan, each with its unique method of folding and wrapping the fabric. The way a Duku is tied can also communicate messages or indicate the wearer's mood or status. Dukus are versatile and can be worn in various ways. They can be wrapped tightly around the head or styled to have an elegant and flowing appearance. The versatility of the Duku allows individuals to express their creativity and personal style. The popularity of Dukus has transcended cultural boundaries, and they are embraced by people around the world who appreciate the beauty and significance of this traditional head wrap. Fashion designers and influencers globally have incorporated Dukus into their collections, helping to bring awareness and appreciation for African cultural elements.
Dukus are often worn on special occasions such as weddings, festivals, and ceremonies. The choice of Duku style and fabric can hold cultural and symbolic significance, marking important events in a person's life. The Duku serves as a powerful means of expressing one's identity and cultural heritage. It is a statement of pride in African traditions and a celebration of diversity. While the Duku has deep roots in tradition, modern interpretations have emerged. Some individuals experiment with unconventional fabrics, mix patterns, or incorporate accessories to give the traditional Duku a contemporary twist. Wearing a Duku can be an empowering act for many women. It symbolizes solidarity among women embracing their culture and heritage. The visibility of Dukus in fashion and media contributes to a broader narrative of inclusivity and representation. The Duku has made its mark not only in Africa but also in the African diaspora. Communities outside the continent embrace the Duku as a way to maintain a connection to their roots and celebrate their cultural heritage. Influential women, including celebrities and public figures, often wear Dukus, bringing attention to this cultural practice. Their choices in Duku styles may inspire others to explore and adopt this traditional head wrap. Remember that the evolution of fashion is ongoing, and trends may continue to shift. To stay current with the latest developments in Duku styles and cultural expressions, it's recommended to subscribe, like, comment and share our
And lifestyle. Subscribe now, hit that notification bell, and be part of our community as we embark on an exciting journey together. Let's celebrate the magic of African style.